If you are having dull skin, having hair fall or weak hairs, having problem with the nails, which are easily broken, then this video is for you. The vitamin, which we are talking about, is Perfectil tablet, which is a perfect blend of over 20 micronutrients to give extra care to your skin, hair, and nails. Let's see the ingredients, which make Perfectil the best choice for your daily routine. But before starting the video, do like and subscribe the channel. Deficiencies of riboflavin, biotin, folate, vitamin B12, and vitamin D have been associated with hair loss. Perfectil contains all these ingredients to overcome this problem. While biotin is one of the most popular supplements for strengthening the hair, skin, and nails. It also contains zinc to help maintain normal and healthy hair. To overcome skin problems, Perfectil contain vitamin E and vitamin C, which are antioxidants and helps to prevent damage to the skin. Vitamin C also contributes to the synthesis of collagen, which contains amino acids that is used to build keratin. Keratin is an important part of your skin and hairs, and helps to nourish skin, removing wrinkles, and improving elasticity of skin. For skin, Perfectil also contains vitamin K, which helps in dark spots, dark circles under your eyes, stretch mark, and scars of the skin. Selenium, zinc, and iron included in Perfectil contributes to the maintenance of healthy nails. The dose for Perfectil tablet is 1 tablet daily, which is to be taken after food. Swallow with water or a cold drink. Do not chew the tablet, and also do not exceed recommended intake. Also note, if you are taking this vitamin, don't take any additional multivitamin. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below.